In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Reverse 1999 on mobile. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Google Play Store on your device and sign into your account. Head over to the search section and click on the search field and enter Reverse 1999. After entering that, go ahead and click on the search icon. Now click on the Reverse 1999 1-year ANIV app and click on the install button. Take note that Reverse 1999 is about 3.16 gigabytes, which means that the app will occupy a huge amount of your space. And this 3.16 gigabyte is different from the resources that you'll need to install once you have the app installed already, which means that it would take up about 5 gigabyte of your storage space to install the Reverse 99 app on your device. Make sure that your device has a huge storage space to ensure better gaming experience on your device. Now, once you have the app installed on your device, go ahead and open the app on your device to be able to install the remaining resources that you'll need to install on your device once the app is already installed on your device. Once you open the app, you'll get redirected into this section, which is more of an opening of the app. Now, in this section, you'll also be able to find this select language resource section where you'll need to select your voice pack. So just go ahead and select your voice pack and click on the next button. And in here, you'll be informed that the update waits about 2089 MB. So this update is actually required since this contains all of the resources that the game has. Now, once you have this update installed on your device, you're good to go and the game is already installed on your device. And that's how you can simply install Reverse 1999 on mobile. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.